This is recent news published in international electronic media and print media. Seoul, the capital of South Korea, has started to install 26 smart poles in 6 areas of the city. They include CCTV, Wi-Fi access points, smartphone chargers, electric vehicle chargers, traffic lights, and street lights. This is low-cost maintenance and easy-to-operate collapsible poles. Which can be tilted down along the footpath in no time with the help of a hydraulic system. Solar panel mounted on such pole can be easily and regularly cleaned, thus increasing efficiency of solar energy generation of panels by 30%. 3 square meter solar panel mounted on street light pole is enough to provide 11 hours of illumination. This solar panel can be very useful in rural areas. Hydraulic base hinged system, which cost additional Rs 20,000, gives many benefits. Like there is 90% reduction in maintenance cost. There is no need of bucket crane, and dusting of solar panel mounted on the pole can be regularly done with minimal cost. Solar panel mounted smart pole comes with additional cost of Rs 1 lakh in case of greenfield development and Rs 80,000 in case of brownfield development respectively. Recovery of this cost is done in 6 to 7 years for a minimum of 20 years life cycle project. Futuristic smart pole can have multiple features like solar panel, Wi-Fi access point, security camera, advertisement display for government schemes, IoT gateway, LED display, public announcement system, and electrical vehicle charging station. This smart pole can boost free online education in urban and rural areas by providing all-weather robust last-mile 5G, TV cable and Wi-Fi connectivity. This will also help in improving IT infrastructure for IT and ITES industries in urban area. Coupled with laying optical fiber by micro-trenching, IT infrastructure can be built which will operate without fail in cyclones, storms and windy monsoon. Mumbai city has spent 950 crore rupees for 6,500 CCTV cameras installed across the city in 2017. PTZ cameras can be installed on some of the smart poles for crime prevention and detection and for effective disaster management. Charging station for charging electric vehicles can be provided on smart poles. This simple-looking but multiple featuring smart pole can be designed in such a manner that advertisement on pole can generate extra revenue so that expenditure on capital investment can be recovered in just 5 years. This pole is also an ideal location to advertise various state government schemes.